NotebookLM was already one of my favorite AI tools that I recommend to everyone, but with the most recent update, they added some new features that make it even more powerful. I'll cover the two big obvious ones they added, which are amazing, but also some of the smaller, less obvious features they...
Thanks to Futurepedia, now it's our time to try. Go to notebooklm.google and click Try NotebookLM. As you can see, we have tried hundreds of times, and one of them made us tons of money and made our customers extremely happy. However, today is the testing day. There is already one notebook right here I have worked with, one of the videos of Dan Henry. Let's have a quick look at the video.
A software company once asked me to be their spokesman. Instead of asking for money, I made a deal for 50% of the company. Didn't pay a dime. Years later, we sold it for multiple millions.
That's the story. It's a 21-minute long video. Who has time to watch another person's videos? So I put it in NotebookLM that I will ask questions later. Now I can always ask questions like, and Notebook will turn it into notes like a student. But that's not what we are here for today. We are here for mainly these two features. Now here is how it works. Once you put all your sources, now for this one I have only one source. You can add more sources depending on which tier you are in. They will let you add multiple sources. For my tier, I can add 300 sources, 300 Google Drive documents or website or YouTube or copy and paste texts, and then do what we are supposed to do. So in order to create infographic, all you have to do is to click here or just click on this pen and choose language, choose whether it's landscape or portrait or square, concise, standard or details, and describe what you want to do. I have already done that and this is how it looks like. Look at this. Do you believe that I didn't type a single letter on it? I didn't write anything. I didn't draw anything. I didn't copy paste anything. Every single word on this infographic, every single word and sentence and paragraphs are grammatically correct. It is taken from the source. So the source says a name framework, which is narrative, audience, message, and exchange. For every section, there is a clarification. Now I literally know everything without going through the video. On top of that, I can use it as my own without stealing Dan Henry's video. And think about it. I am making this video and you are watching this video as an audience. Probably I will get a lot of views. If not, I will get a couple of high-ticket sales just from this video. If I do not get anything from this video, I will at least become someone. I will at least become a go-to person to a couple of people who will down the line invest in some of my projects. All because I watched this video, I went to NotebookLM and I tried something. Here is another one. The same topic, same description, a different infographic. And just because I clicked and I wanted to create another infographic, Google NotebookLM created another one. How cool is that? Now slide deck. You just have to click this little edit button and describe what you want or just leave as is. When I created, I clicked short and I added something that I wanted to create and look what happened. This is the slide deck created for me. Look at this. I did not add any of this. This is Gary V. This is Sarah Blakely. This is Alex Hormozy. Wow. Here's another one. Here's another one. Here's another one. These slides were created by NotebookLM all by itself. In the past, people would use gamma.app and pay monthly recurring fees. Ooh, for a limited credit. Look at this. 1,000 monthly credits. Another one, 4,000 monthly credits, $25 a month. Whether you make one slide deck or 100 slide decks, your credits are limited. And for 20,000 monthly credits, which is not a lot, you have to pay $100 per seat per month. Now, this is by Google LM. Ooh. And to be honest, you do not even need these fancy slide deck in order to make money. But professional, bro, this is wild. What? You're saying something? Oh, you want me to try live? Oh, sure, of course. Let's go back. Click create new and let's go find a video. Oh, this one, I like it.
What successful people do is they spend money to save time. Unsuccessful people spend time to save money.
I like these theories. These are guru videos. I'm gonna copy the video URL and I will click YouTube, put it here and click insert. If it works, it's fine. Oh, it's working. Good. First, I want to have some fun with my prompt. This will make NotebookLM take notes like a student. And then I want to create infographics, so I will just click. Not think about anything, no need editing, just create something. For a slide deck, I want to make it short and no need anything, just go click generate. You want to make more infographic, just click another one, just click another one, or just click another one. The infographic is ready. Click. Wow, this is really something. Look at the left side, it shows the problem and the theme is gray, sad, bad. And on the right side, the solution. It's exciting, it's bright, it's glowing. Just look at the problem. I think we have something to learn from here. Why you're attracting the wrong clients? You are targeting clients who can't afford you. You believe helping startups leads to bigger work. Your marketing is blurry because your target is unclear. Do you think this is true? I think it is in a lot of cases. And in fact, in our business, we need to remind who we serve every single day. So what's the solution? Build a hyper-specific ideal client profile. Identify your trifecta client. Review past projects for the combination of creating joy, high profitability, and mission alignment. Wow, this is very tough language. Profile one ideal person. All right, I'm gonna go back and this time I will mention use 5th graders reading level to describe. I want it concise and I want it square. Let's generate. It is ready. Let's try. Wow, look at the text. It has a headline, a subheadline. Image, every image has a headline and a subheadline and everyone has a theme color. Stop working for broke people. Pick one perfect client. Know them like a friend. You become a magnet. Bro, this is crazy and this is the slide deck. Successful people spend money to save time. Unsuccessful people spend time to save money. Which one are your clients and which one are you? Look at this. That's crazy. Wow. And if I don't like it, I can create another slide deck. Woo! I want to try something. You see on the left hand side, this yaptext.com. This helps me make a lot of money. I use text a lot, sending messenger messages, WhatsApp messages, and even emails. If I use mobile, I have to use mobile typing, which is annoying for me. And I use voice messages a lot, and a lot of times they are long messages. That's annoying for the receiver. So we made yaptext.com. Just one tap, record your voice, you get instant transcription, copy your message, paste it anywhere you want. If you're not confident, use AI, choose any of the tones, then polish with AI. Everything happens in seconds. And it is completely mobile friendly. As you can see, this is the mobile version. Now I'm going to go to the demo of yaptext.com and copy the transcript. Then I will create a new notebook, paste the transcript here, click insert, and now I will create an infographic and I will create a slide deck. I want to see what NotebookLM comes with, demonstrating this software. Okay, let's try the infographic. Whoa, wow. This was exactly what I was looking for. I wanted to create this. I tried a lot creating this with prompt. Wow, really? And I think this headline is better headline than the app itself. Look at this. Turn your speech into polished text instantly. The daily communication dilemma. Typing is tedious for the sender. Busy individuals get frustrated spending time typing out long messages. Yes, exactly. Yes, exactly. Voice messages are inconvenient for the receiver. Recipients are often annoyed by long, rambling, or unclear voice notes. The YapText AI solution. Just talk, don't worry about mistakes. Simply record your voice message, even if it's messy or grammatically incorrect. Oh, subhanallah. I wanted to write this. Okay, let AI polish your message. Choose a tone like friendly or professional, and AI instantly corrects and clarifies your text. And step 3, paste your perfect text anywhere. Copy it to your clipboard, ready to paste. And here is the raw speech input. Hello, I'm recording something that don't know missing valuable. True. AI polished text output. Hello, I'm recording something but I'm not sure if I am missing something important. I want to make sure I communicate clearly. This was exactly what I wanted to do, but I couldn't. Okay, here is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put this on the sales page, so everybody knows what this app is about. Okay, I made another one. This one is vertical. Yap text. Turn your speech into polished text instantly. The daily communication dilemma. Typing is tedious. Voice messages are inconvenient. Yap Text AI solution. Hello, I'm recording this. Just talk, don't worry about mistakes. AI does its job. Use tone options. What can I say? Wow, that's all I can say. Okay, it's time to reveal the slide deck. Wow, the two frustrations of modern messaging. You need to send message. Either you have to type or you have to send voice message. And for busy people, typing is a chore? Yeah. And the problem with voice notes, the flawed choice that wastes everyone's time. And we have Yap Text. Just talk, just polish, copy and send. Wow. Here's how it works. Polish with AI. Boom. Really? This is a slide deck, like a webinar slide deck. This is crazy. Now let's work with the next one. Triple check. I'm going to copy the transcript, create a notebook, copy and paste. Insert. I want an infographic and I want a slide deck. Let's see what happens. All right, it's all done. Listen, I have to say it's crazy. Just look at what happened. This is the second infographic, but just look at what it is. Flawless teamwork powered by AI. See how AI voice commands, automated assignments, and a mandatory verification step. Create a mistake-proof workflow for your team. It's a whole headline itself, and it's crazy. Look at this. Step 1, speak it, create it. Use simple voice commands to let AI create projects, write task titles, and set descriptions automatically. Step 2, automatic roles and status. AI assigns tasks to both an assignee and a verifier, and everyone sees color-coded status. Woo! Third one, the final check. Once a task is marked done, the verifier is automatically notified to review and approve it, ensuring zero mistakes. Wow, man, this is good. Now let's look at another one. It's a wider one. That's a wider and more detailed version of the same thing. It's a little too much text and a little too much graphics. The previous one was easier, right? But if you want to give it a little time, which most people don't have, then you can see the steps. Create with AI and voice. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And they actually come with details. Like this one is pending, in progress, completed, verified. Ooh. But I want to show you the slide deck created by AI. This is crazy. If your team members make mistakes, it's not their fault. And then look, clean. 1 headline, 1 subheadline, 3 basic image that anyone understands. Number 3 is so simple. No one can miss out. How you create a project using voice. How you assign your team as an assignee and as a verifier. Again, you delegate tasks as fast as you can talk. Everybody gets notified. Work in progress, visible to all. When work is finished, the status is updated. The verifier gets a button automatically. This is so nice. Wow. Man, this is crystal clear. Now, I want to create another slide deck, but this time, for this slide deck, I want presenter slides, and I have a little prompt. And let's see how it goes. This is going to be for the people who have less attention span. They like more colors, more visuals, and less text. And I want to create another infographic with the same prompt. But this time, I want to make it portrait because I want it mobile friendly. Level of details, keep it standard, and click generate. The infographic is ready, guys. Let's have a look. Wow, lots of colors, less text, just as I wanted. The AI verified task workflow. It's a bit not so 5th graders reading level, right? AI verified task workflow. What is this? Ooh, visually explained the high-speed error-proof process from like astronauts speaking in Mars, or maybe Martian alien. What? Create your voice. Create with voice. Somebody speaking directly to AI. Yeah, okay. Voice commands, AI writes, assigns and sets verifier. Pretty close. Number 2, it's pending. Task appears, assigned team member instantly notified. Number 3, in progress. Assignee starts status updated in real time. Number 4, completed. Yay! Assignee marks done, automatically notifies the verifier. Now it's ready for verification. Verifier is prompted to review for accuracy. Number 6, verified. Verifier approves, entire team notified. It's officially done. Woo! I think there is a problem with the headline. Now let's check the new slide deck. It's pretty much the same thing with a little more colors. Looks good, not bad at all. Okay, colors changed. Yes, looks good, really good. Yeah, they are good now, much better. Lots of colors. I love colors. Yes, but there is another one still being prepared. We will wait for that one too.